Good morning, my dear students. Today your chapter tangents and secants, exercise number 9.3, the ninth chapter. My dear students, here second question. This is second question. What he asking here? In a circle of radius 12 centimeter, a chord subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Now he asking that find the area of the corresponding minor segment. He asking to find minor segment of the circle. Use pi value as 3.14 and root 3 value as 1.732. He given two hints for you. So my dear students, I already said you before. First of all, you have to write what he given, what he asking, right? What he given. After you have to what he ask. You have to find like that. So first one he given that radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? In the question only given 12 centimeter. The same thing I written here, 12 centimeter. What is the theta value given? Theta is the 120 degree. So same thing I written here, 120 degree. In the question what he given, we written given value. Now what we have to find? We have to find area of the minor segment. Yesterday question, this question is similar, slightly similar, but slightly change also there. I'll tell you. Because here he asking 120 degree. And yesterday asking 90 degree. That is the changes there. Because 19 degree the corresponding values will be, perpendicular value will be same. But whereas here not like that. So here you have to find the area of the minor segment. So my dear students, step number 1. First you find the area of the sector. And step number 2, find the area of the triangle. And step number 3, find area of the minor segment. That means area of the sector minus area of the triangle. I already said you. See, this is called the sector. Now what is circle is there? This is called the sector. Now you have to find this entire sector. In the sector given small triangle. So now you have to find here A, B and this is the sector. You can keep as O and this is the entire thing is called the sector. Now this portion is called the orange color portion is the minor segment. For your sake, I written here sector area. Sector area is in a green plus orange. The green place and orange place, both places called a sector area. And minor segment is in the orange color. So for hint purpose, I given here, my dear students. Just observe here. So my dear students, now we have to find only this one, minor segment. So how you will get the minor segment means you have to remove this area of the triangle, the green portion. Then you will get this minor segment. Okay, my dear students. Now, my dear students, now and also given that let a circle with center O. Now the circle is there. In the circle, it is center O. Center is the O. And here AB is the chord. Here AB is the chord. Already I said to you what is the chord. A line segment which touches 2 points. It is the chord. We can draw infinite chords. You can, this is the chord, this is the chord, and this is also chord, and this is also chord. Like that chord, we can draw so many chords here. So this is the chords, and here radius. Radius, you know, already in the question only given that the radius is OA, OB, 12 centimeter, and here also 12 centimeter. This is the called OA and OB both are equal 12 centimeter. That is called the radius, 12 centimeter. Now step number 1. What you have to find? Area of the sector. Area of the sector x degree by 360 degree into pi r square. This is the formula. So in the formula, x value is very clearly given that what is x value given? 120 degree. That is only written 120 degree. You have to write here 120 degree by 360 into 3.14 into r square. R is the radius. 12 into 12. Now 0 0 cancel and 12 1 jar 12 3 jar 36. I am writing here 120 by 360 into pi value in the question only given 3.14. R square means 10 into 10. Now my students 0 0 cancel, 12 1 jar 12 3 jar, right? This value is 12 not 10, sorry, radius is 12 given. 3 1 jar 3 4 jar. Now 12 4 jar 48 and rest of is 3.14. 3.14 written here. Now my dear students, multiply 3.14 into 48, you will get 150.72. First ignore the decimal place. right? Ignore the decimal place, don't keep the decimal, and just multiply 314 into what is the thing, 48. Multiply with 48. First take 8. 8 4 jar 32. 2 3. 8 1 jar 8. 8 plus 3 L1 1 1. 8 3 jar 24. 24 plus 1 25. And next 4 4 jar 16. 6 plus 1. And 4 1 jar 4 plus 1 5. And 4 3 jar 12. Here 2. 6 plus 1 7. 5 plus 5 10 0 1. 2 plus 2 4 1 5. Here 1. Now my dear students, we have two decimal places after you have a decimal is there. 2 digits after you have decimal is there. So here also move 2 decimals, 2 digits after keep decimal here. You will get 150.72. The same thing written here, 150.72. And most of the students, they forgot to write the units. Units are very important. In the question we are finding area, automatically centimeter square will come. Units, if you not written the unit, you lose the marks. So don't forget the unit. This is also very important, plays very important role. So area of sector we got. Now step number 2, area of a triangle. Area of the triangle, here I am telling you one thing, draw the triangle here. Draw a triangle here. And here what I am telling that, take A, B and take one line in the between, perpendicular line. That's why I said you here, and keep as the O, it is the C. Here OC is the perpendicular line. OC is the perpendicular line. OC is the perpendicular line. OC is the perpendicular, divides the angle. Total angle is 120 degree. The total angle is 120 degree. It's changing into 60 degrees. 60 degree, 2 halves. 2 angles. It makes 2 angles. 60 plus 60 is the 120. Are clear, my dear students? That thing only I draw here. And OA is same. OA, OB is same. Already above we taken that value. We consider, not consider, he given radius OA, OB is equal 12 centimeter. The same thing here written, OA, OB. Now 120 degree angle, I divide perpendicularly, it comes 60 and 60. And whereas it is a right angle triangle, 90 degree, 90 degree. It should be straight angle, 90 degree angle. Right? Now AB, it is a C. The center value considered as a C. Now my dear students, this is a very important point. Remember, it plays key role in at last of the answer. It divides the chord. You know chord. AB is the chord. Already I said you. Here AB is the chord. AB is the chord. It divides. Perpendicular divides, right? Perpendicular divides. It is C. It is the C. It is 60 degree, 60 degree. This is the 90 degree. It is the 90 degree. Now here what I am telling that AB is the chord, right? Then AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. The same thing. AC, the length of the AC is equal to length of the BC. That is the written here. AC is equal to BC. Very important step, my dear student, this is. Now here what I am saying that ACO. ACO is a right angle triangle. And similarly BCO, it is also a right angle triangle. It is the O. ACO, BCO is the right angle triangle. That's why here symbolically we are representing here 90 degree, 90 degree. And my dear students, theta value now it becomes 60 degree because we divided 120 degree into 2 halves. Theta now becomes 60 degree. Now here OA is equal to 12 centimeter. That is the hypotenuse. And according to the trigonometry chapter, Pythagoras theorem, when triangle is makes here, when theta is making here, automatically it becomes opposite side to theta. This becomes hypotenuse. This side becomes adjacent. Am I right? I think you remember. Once refer the trigonometry chapter, then you will get the basics. So now here theta making here, it's 60 degree. Then it becomes a what? Opposite. Now it becomes what? What it becomes? Hypotenuse. And this right angle becomes adjacent. Okay, my dear students. Now theta is 60 degree. Theta is 60 degree. And OA is 12. That is the hypotenuse value. And we have to find what we have to find. We have to find opposite value, you don't know. Adjacent value also we don't know. We don't know adjacent, opposite. Now we have to find adjacent and opposite. Similarly, opposite, sin theta I took sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, formula you know, opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Opposite value we don't know. Opposite value is given that AC. AC is the opposite value. So write AC here. And hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given very clear here. Hypotenuse also 12 value given here. Hypotenuse. Right here 12. OA. That's the OA. Therefore sin 60 is equal to AC by OA. Sin 60 value according to the trigonometric table root 3 by 2. That is equal to AC by 12. Now cross multiplication, my dear students. Keep AC here only. Put AC here. AC is equal to, I am keeping here AC. I am transposing 12 to LHS. I am transposing 12 to LHS. That means root 3 by 2 into 12. 2 1 jar, 2 6 jar. 6 root 3 value will come here. Therefore, AC is equal to root 3 by 2 into 12. 2 6 jar, 6 into root 3, 6 root 3. Therefore, AC we got. AC is what? Opposite. AC is what? Opposite value. Opposite side value we got. And similarly, you take cos theta. Cos theta formula also you know. Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Now here, cos 60. Already theta value you know. Theta value is 60 degrees there. Now here, very clearly we have adjacent means this side. This value also you don't know. Now adjacent is OC. And opposite is AC. Opposite is AC. Adjacent is OC. Now we are finding here OC. Now cos 60 is equal to OC by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse value is 12. Now cos 60 is 1 by 2 by trigonometry value. Just go to the trigonometry table, you will get the cos 60 value. And OC by 12. Now here are the same transpose. Transpose 12 to LHS. Left hand side. OC is equal to 12 by 2. 2 1 jar, 2 6 jar. OC value got 6. Now what is the OC? OC is nothing but adjacent. And also height of the triangle. Height also. It is called height also. Adjacent height. Now my dear student, length of the chord. The length of the chord. The length of the chord area is equal to base of triangle. The length of the chord is base of the triangle. What is the base? AB. AB is the base. So nothing but AB is equal to what? Already I said you very important point. AC is equal to BC. So here AC plus BC. The AC value 6 root 3. BC also becomes 6 root 3 only. By this step, AC is equal to BC. The length of the chord. The chord divides AB equally. The chord divides AB equally. That's why AC is equal to BC. AC value 6 root 3. BC becomes 6 root 3. 6 plus 6, 12 root 3. That is the length of the chord. Now height of the triangle. Height of the triangle means adjacent side to theta. Height of the triangle this is. We got 6 here. Already by cos theta we got 6. 6 is the height of the triangle. The same value here written. H is equal to 6 root 3. Now find area of the triangle. Now I am finding area. What is this entire area? Entire area I am finding. That means half into B into H. Breadth into height. Half. What is the breadth? B. B already written. Length of the chord is the breadth. It is the B. It is 6 root 3. It is 6 root 3. 6 plus 6, 12 root 3. This is called the base. Right? So that is called 12 root 3. Already we got 12 root 3. Length of the chord on it base. 12 root 3. Into height. Height is adjacent. Height is adjacent. That value got 6. That is take the 6. Here 6. Now 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar. So 12 3 jar, 36. 36 root 3. In the question, he clearly given that use root 3 value as 1.732. The same thing written here, 1.732. Now 36 into 1.732, you will get, multiply product, you will get 62.352 centimeters square. Okay, my dear students. Remove the decimal and multiply. After 3 digits, you move and keep the decimal, you will get this answer. And area of the minor segment. Final thing, we have to finding the area of the minor segment. This segment is important. area of the minor segment nothing but area of the sector minus area of the triangle. This area of the sector, completely area of the sector minus area of the triangle, you have to find. This is minor segment, you will get area of the sector, you have to remove, and orange value also remove, you will get this value. And area of sector value already we find it, we got 150.72, and area of triangle we got 62.352. Do minus, you will get 88.368 centimeters square. It is called the area of the minor segment. So my dear students, here go for multiplication. Maybe few students they are unable to do the multiplication. For them I am doing 1732. Actual decimal is there, don't keep decimal, and keep here 36 also there. 6 2 jar 12, 1 6 3 jar 18 plus 1 19, 1 6 7 jar 42 plus 1 43, 4 6 1 jar 6 plus 4 10, and 3 2 jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, 7 3 jar 21, 2, and 3 1 jar 3 plus 2 5, 2 9 6 15, 1 13, 1 1 plus 1 2 62. 3 decimals, 1 2 3 after we have decimal is there. Here also 1 2 3 after keep decimal. 62.352, that thing only we got here. Carefully do the multiplication, my dear students, is a very important. And here subtraction, you know, here you do subtraction 150.72, and I said you unit place, tens place, you very carefully you have to write. Here 2 is there, if nothing is there keep 0. Now do subtraction, borrow 2, 1 borrow here, 10 minus 2 8, here 1 will be there, 7 1 borrow here, 11 minus 5 6, and here already we have 1 borrowed now, 6 will be there, 6 minus 3 3, and here 0 is there, 1 borrow again, 10 minus 2 8, and here already we have 4, again borrow 1 here, 14 minus 6 8, that means 88.368 centimeters square. That is the final answer. My dear students, carefully do, the answer will come beautiful, right? And again do 2 times this homework. Very important chapter. Completely we have 8 problems. Out of 8 problems, all questions are important. One question must and should will come in the examination point. So yesterday 1 problem, today 1 problem, 2 problems is set. So 2 problems, practice more and write strip test at your home and show to your parents. Thanking you.